Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am preparing the ultimate shirako nabe, or what should I say, the ultimate fish soft roll hot pot. Okay, so made from sawara fish, which is similar to or equivalent to Spanish mackerel. Okay, so I got so many, so I got about 5 pounds. So I just pour the certified organic olive oil, and then I'll go ahead and do that. Now, because of that, I just wanted to use my semi-secret ingredient. So I made some a pesto sauce made from without cheese. So there's no cheese into it. So organic olive oil, cilantro or coriander, right? And then organic walnuts. That's it. And black pepper, organic, of course. So I'm gonna pour this real quick, okay? Ooh, right? Yeah, this is un-Japanese, very un-Japanese, but it doesn't matter because that's why I'm making the ultimate stuff, all right? Then so, go ahead and put some mushrooms, shimeji mushrooms, all right? Yeah. Alrighty. And don't worry, this because it has so many water content into it, so it's gonna be shrinking, okay? And then now, pesticide-free kimchi paste, okay? So because last time I was unable to open, so I softened this prior to this today. So, yeah. And then, if it's not enough, you can dilute it the purified water, but or what? Olive oil if you want it. Okay. And my favorite one, certified organic miso paste. Okay. So made by Yamaki. Okay. Here. Check this out, huh? So, this is my favorite miso paste. Okay. So roughly what? 2 tablespoons. Yeah, maybe 1 tablespoon today. Hey, you know what? Let's make it though. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Sprinkle, maybe 3, because I love this. Yeah. Right? You just watch. Okay? So I hope you had a good Easter. I know I'm filming just right a week after Easter, and I don't know when is this going to be launched, but it doesn't matter. I want all of you to enjoy it. Finger licking good. Yeah. This time I'm gonna use different approach. Yeah. Then organic rucola stems. Boom, bam, right? Yeah. You got to use the organic ones, okay? See that? It's not big, right? Yeah. All right. See, I just concentrating making the most nutritious meals. I'm not the Ryote in Kaiseki cuisine masters. I get some, you know, complaints that you're not decorating highly enough. You know what? Fuck it. Did I say that? I guess I did. Funk it, right? F-U-N-K, right? Well, because this is about teaching the nutritious stuff, and if you prefer decorative stuff, then you better go to some exquisite restaurants to learn from them, right? Which I have nothing, I applaud for that one. I just want all of you to eat the nutritious meal with lesser poisonous or toxic ingredients, right? Now, because the soft roe, it's so fragile, so you want to put the fried tofu skins. I already sliced into the halves, so okay, right. You don't have to do that totally, but this is what I do normally. Yeah. All right. Then this is the one. Right, already soaked this into black pepper infused organic cooking wine. Okay, you just put it. Okay, don't worry, it doesn't look appetizing, but at the end should be darn good. Okay, yeah, boom. Yeah. All right. So then again, I'm going to put some organic pesto, okay, on top. That's why I'm calling this the ultimate. Yeah, it's very ultimate. Because cilantro is a good chelation agent, which means you can remove the toxic metals by eating this. So before you believe what I'm saying, you might want to double check. Okay? Yeah. I hate wasting because I just hate wasting. Yeah. Right? Yeah. I love finger massaging the soft roe, right? This is the male one, right? So if you want to use the female one, the roe, that's fine too. Both of them are fantastic. Praise the Lord. Then, you know what? Something I feel spicy. So I'm going to put the organic whole pepper. Okay, so yeah, it's good. Yeah. Beautiful organic dusts are coming right out. Right. Ooh! Earthquake! Psych. Yeah. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. So, I'm gonna close this lid, and I'll see you all in 45 minutes, I guess. All right. Cheers. Wow, look at that. And I only spent 30 minutes cooking this baby. Yeah, with the medium high heat. Amazing. So, I'm gonna Eat this. Okay. Mmm. So the main theme is to the soft roe. So wow, look at that, it's already soft. I know the veggies buried underneath, but I'm gonna deal with that later. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some soft roe or shirako, right? So, oh darn it, excuse me. Man, it's so darn good. Yeah. Oh, you know what? The good news is I might be able to get some ricotta. Ah, that's nice. With shimeji mushrooms? Yeah. Wow, amazing. And some tofu? Yeah. Woo, look at that. It's so darn good, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Tofu is good. Yeah. I'll put some more soft rolls. Yeah. It's getting bloody hot. Yeah. Huh? Excuse me, something comes up. Okay, so yeah. And then I'm gonna top with organic rucola. Ooh, tada, huh? Okay. Wow, amazing. So let's eat. Itadakimasu. All right. So. So bloody creamy. So I'm gonna eat with the rucola leaves. Yeah. Oh. It's so good. I'm making. So those of you who have some connections with fishmongers, you know, or at the supermarket people, normally those of you living in Western Hemisphere, they intend to throw them away. So if you ask them, you know, in advance, they might be able to give it to you. So never had to try. Okay, so I do apologize to eat in front of you like this because the chef's privilege. So you take care. God bless you all. Stay warm.